Happy April! Today I'm taking a look at another classic lens, the Tamron SPDI 90mm f2.8 macro 1:1 Canon EF mount. The build quality of this lens is excellent. Unlike the Sigma 105mm f2.8, the Tamron's body coating doesn't peel or wear off over time. The front element is deeply recessed, which helps prevent accidental smudges and reduces the need for a lens hood. Switching between autofocus and manual focus is done by sliding the focus ring forward or backward. In autofocus mode, the focus ring spins freely without actually adjusting focus, a unique design that you usually see on more modern lenses that use electronically coupled focus rings. There's also a focus limiter switch, which is especially useful if you're shooting portraits and want to avoid the lens hunting through its full macro range. Focusing performance is a little weak. Autofocus is a bit noisy, but not distracting. Certainly quieter than many older screw drive lenses. It handles reasonably well in continuous autofocus mode, though it's not as fast or as silent as a modern STM lens. Optically, this lens holds up pretty well. I didn't notice any chromatic aberrations even when shooting wide open at f2.8, which is impressive for a macro lens in this class. For sharpness tests, the lens is already impressively sharp in the center and corners at f2.8. Stopping down to f4 sharpens things further, with peak sharpness at around f5.6 to f8. Beyond f11, diffraction starts to reduce sharpness, and by f16, softness becomes noticeable compared to earlier apertures. Here are some sample pictures I shot with the lens. And that's all for now. I'll be leaving the test chart pictures at the end. Feel free to switch to 4K resolution mode and take a look at them.